So first of all, যতনন ফুংকাহাম এবাকে গুড মর্নিং ত্রিপুরা হাসতেনি যত ইন্টেলেকচুয়াল পার্সনস তংনাই তাই রুং সুরুঙ্গই তংনাই তাই রুং রুংনাই এবাকে যে ত্রিপুরা হালনি যে অবস্থা রক যারা নুগই তংনাই তাই তিনি ছিল অকরা চাকরা যে তঙ্গ সিনিয়র মোস্ট সিনিয়র সিটিজেন্স যারা তংনাই তাই চিনি সমান যে সাক চালাই তংনাই বরক যতনন তিনি হাই ও সালো কাইসা মেসেজনি বিসিংতুই এবাকে কাইসা কবক ইয়াফরে ও লাইভ ফাইমানি ani intention abake ani purpose ke tini olaiba tamni bage faina nangka among kabla chung jotno saimano upcoming on days just day after tomorrow abong kabla 27th of November kaisa in Tripura chini in the initiative of his royal scion or his bubagra his highness bubagrani bisingtui kaisa mass gathering nani thangoi tong okay in the mass gathering of not particular or not limited in the Tripura haise abo chung jotno saimano just few months ago or couple of months ago or 1 month ago bubagra satta northeast mane 7 state of northeast ni bisingo kaisa United ni bisingti kaisa one hine kaisa party gosna kaisa khaijak political party so bini initiate ni bisingtui bini saktar mane bisingtui tini north east ni samagro je great leaders such as chini first of all chini Meghalaya ni chief minister honorable chief minister Konark Sangma Daniel Langthasa and many more leaders great leaders and obviously royal scion or bubagra is there chung jotno saimano unke borokni je chaitok mane bisingti tini for the first time in Tripura o kaisa mass gathering ngani thangoi tong unke o mass gathering no joto Tripura hasteni jara welfare ni bagoi Tripura sani welfare ebake Tripura hani busani welfare ni bagoi je choba khai tongnai ebake khas logoi tongnai ebake je wana jagoi tongnai jotno no tini bubagrani as a warrior hisabe norok no kobong ya farok okay might be among of us sin bisingo chongsai mano why it is so necessary tam bago chung o mass gathering go join ma khainai abake tam bago chung machu banai bubagrana abong kabla chung sai mano naidi chini o mass gathering main uddesho as per the bubagra ni chung chaiman man bisingtui abong kabla chung chaiman ka bubagra initiative namani yagolo jot leaders of kok samani yagolo je notice ne je problems is similar haise light from the land rights education job natural resources scripts and so many je problems tongmani aborok ni problem no rugoi je kok na arise kaine mane jot na similar things okay as the problem is the similar of the whole notice okay why we should not be united so that is why apni bago bubagra tamungka initiative now tini in collaborations of other great leaders notice ni kaisa political party abo national party gosna khaike okay national party chungnugo or national party gosna khain an thangtani many of us many intellectual persons might be thinking borok wan suk sai mano kubangma negative but negative chini songjangna kuroi in jaga positivity bostu ku tong abose chini wan suna ko chung nai nayo je under control of Delhi National Party borok tamokai overall je kuno national party in Tripura introduce kai for the first time of party ni main khomota ebake main right saboman illegal immigrants jara tongnai so that is why our jechini je Tripura it's becoming day by day tamhen the rule under the rule of illegal immigrants so joto political powers joto political rights overall bongi yagono control ungo unka obviously jehetu illegal immigrants ni jara se abok over control ungo unkai to chini je Tripura hasteni ebake je Tripura sani যে রাইটস রক aborok obviously tamong nai bo obviously ukung jangnai bonchitong jangnai deprived ngai to kaje imbo rokno no joto evaluate khlai bubagra his highness bo tini national party tamni baga bunia go tete tongnai ba chung why we cannot chung saisung ukimia tongnai sorry some of issues ni bagoi kisa tamhinai live intervene kha eba ke interfere kha so haina haina kar mungsano tipra hasteni joto lukurokno naitong nayani live no main problem among khabla je chung je tabuk je salai tongmani je national party hisabe chung je घोषणा khlaika ba declare khlaika aboni advantages chini je indigenous people rong ni bagai tam tam tong abo chung ma wan chukna rung nai haise kubangma many people may be there haise criticize khainai but criticize khaimani yagolo nung bosutu ku ni contribution jikha ni dofani bagai above that is very important haise criticism chung jotono khaimano haise but chung sak baithang bosutu ku contribution riman that is most important other than criticism so abni bagoi chung buino criticize khayawoi chung sak baithang bosutu ku chini contribution riman chini simani riman abo chini main important chini main na harmung tongna nangnai angka abono chung naine nowadays chung je ruling government by chini je assign tingmani abakai chung je agreement tingmani aboni main chung khabla je chini je tiprasa accord tongo tiprasa accord ni bisingo 125 amendment jeta bill obviously tongo angka kubangma je many issues many rights chung introduce khaijak but overall naine kha angka chung naine di tini je land side why it is so necessary chini bagoi abo chung saiman nane dokar ebong saimane bo tongkhana but land rights until unless if we do not acquire or we do not get there is no use of the Prasa Accord abo chung jotono saimana hoiche okay land rights chung kubangma many people of us we can claim that we are living in our own land abahaino chung claim khaiman but in future tabuk naine di bosutuku je tabuk je nox namai tongnai residence je namai tongnai saboni nini riot jaga tong most of us khas land either patta land obahayomang okay dade jokhon government project phainai jehetu as we do not have the land right tamungnai as it is tamhen it has already Tripura government ni yago in the hand of Tripura government angka borok the times just new project fainai je kuno jaga development purpose borok thangnai angka ni na abo khas land many time any time tam khaiman nai abno withdraw khai hoiman nai displace khaiman nai no dm ni tamhen dm ni permissions by nungtini residence nam tongo but dade dm may change dm may come and another person so in the times o dm tam khaina bo bini rule no alada babe modify khai bonono injane displace khlaina ni power tong bini haise so that abni bagana bubakara again and again sai tong je land rights why it is so necessary for all of us abo chung bujina dorkar so until unless chung jodi land rights jodi maya angka there is no use so land rights ni baga chung fight khai tong angkai chung joto nai di tipra haste ni joto lukurok edise amchayo jara tongnai bini je education je systems educations ni je situations what kind of it is chung joto nugoi tong haise education infrastructure totally tamen fragile in conditions haise kuno injaga qualified teachers kurui infrastructures ni obab materials ni obab equipment ni obab lot of things so education no chung judi improve se ungui mi angkang kai how we can help our society in future. So first of all chung education is very necessary. Society no chung judi develop khlaina thanga hangkai borok no chung judi aware khlaina thanga hangkai borok no chung judi civilized khlaina thanga hangkai the education is very necessary. Okay, but all jaga se many politics is going on. The Tripura government is reluctant to develop the education systems in TTADC's area. They don't want to provide any fund to the ADC constituency, to the ADC government. So that is why we are having to face this kind of problem. So abo chung bujina nangla hesi. Another things, backlog chini TTADC kubango ko during the left front government chung approach Simon money like there are 32,000 backlog some things. But chung tipramotha faimani yagulo abuni loge loge kubangma police bill kubangma je job je chini je nangoi tongo abuna chung direct je proposal send khaika to the governor, but still it is pending. We are not getting the concurrent, we are not getting the consent of the government, consent of the governor still. So that is why TTADC bisingo jara jubok sikito likito tongnai still bekar, jobless. So apni bagoi chini je problems ni je remedy एकमात्र उपाय एंखाबला बुबाग्रा नि लोगे chung logiri woi bahai ke chini je generation, these generations to already is going to demolished. Kumai thangka haise no job, but at least next generations ni bagoi chung judi o choba judi khlaiya hangke o bahai like job quota rok chung judi create khaya hangke in future tamong nai ar jara chung depression bisingo jara chakri khai tong nai kubangma borok tongo like romdi Tripura government ne bising tuifano but TTADC ne bising tuifano but chung actual meaning no bujina nang nai political things na kubangma borok hamjaya tongse mano, but political is the only way jeta chobane bising tu job create toiri khlayo nini kubangma je gazetted officer ready khlayo kubangma gazetted officer ni je quota ready khlayo abo it can only possible through political, through movement. Okay, in the political why it is so very necessary chin bagai abo chung bujina nang nai. Okay, in the o jinis ta rok chung bujiya hangka chine agami din ni je bobishot abo belai very in danger tong nai haisi. Okay, tai as well as chung Simon tong natural resource overall bosaga okot exist khai. Natural resources are existed in TTADC's areas, but aboni the interest abo sabo saitong Tripura government, but we are not getting from there. All the natural resources are being taken from the TTADC areas, but we are not being given anything from the Tripura government. So this is called justice, economical justice. So automatically this way they are giving us justice. So we cannot say this is justice. This is completely injustice to the indigenous people. So abni bagoi chung we must fight. Roman script just 2 days ago TSF ro press meet khaiman norok nugui tongkhana je in je Roman script ni bagoi je chung je choba chalo goi tongmani Even scribo porjonto bongni interference tongo. In many ways, divert kainan nai tongo. Many of us are claimed that we are educated intellectual, but we are divided. The more we become intellectual, the more we become educated, the more we divided. So this is happening just because of arrogance. Tamo chin bisingo je dino education fai thango nijena chung emon babe kotor wansuk thango je chung kaisa naile meya kaisa nuklai meya chin bisingo arrogance reading thango envy chin bisingo jonmo nau. So in je jinis ta rokno chung judi tabung simi chung judi demolish khlaiya ebong chung judi bubagra ni maya ganang bubagra je babe chin tiprasarong ni bago je fight khai tongo bono chung judi logeriya hangkai there is no use being claiming educated persons, intellectual persons like that. So abo chung we must understand. Okay, scribo porjonto bongni interference chung thaijunga ang sanan nang nai tong mani je TSF rok je RTI khlaiyoi right to information as per 2005 ni act ni onusare borok je RTI ko petition demand pore je RTI report man tam saka thrice chief minister ni table already Roman script ni bagoi file sogejak, but it is refused by the honorable chief ministers of our Tripura. Why it is so? You don't have any rights to interfere in our own script, in our own language, as we do not interfere in your own language. So who gave you the rights to interfere among us? So this is completely injustice. As well as sin bisingo tabo cultural, political, social, economically chung we are deprived. Joto dike bonchito haisi. Hangkai abono chung judi preserve khaina thangka hangkai secure judi khaina thangka hangkai there is only way. Abong khabla bubagra. So bubagra ni bisingtino I je cultural, political, social, economical abo joto kuchu safeguard mannai. Chung abono no bujina nangnai. Taikasa jinis ta in mass gathering khlainan thangtani in je jana samabesh khlainan thangtani bosotuku chung travel face mask khlaikya abo hoito ordinary people general borok sai mangla tinibo chung saman tongo final 27 tarik is going to be historic day in our Tripura. 26 तारीख नि 10 नि परे से अमात न याकार जागो. This way चुनो political थुंगुई तों. ताबो चीनी अबनो unsuccess खलाइदिना बागोय. ये जिनिस ता completely intolerable है से. अब सोइजो खलाइमिया. So इम्बुनि सिकां चुनो permission रिलिया mass gathering खाइना बागोय. Many excuses has been shown in front of all of us. So in that times we agreed, but this times we are not going to agree. I say. So anyhow, in mass gathering to ungnai no ungnai. But abonobo bahik lai nadi. Kaisa mass gathering preparation nana thanga angkai at least you must have 2 days in your hands or 3 days. But chung dade mass gathering will going to be happen just before few minutes ago only we are giving the time we are given the chance obahiklai ekdom deadline dijago. So in jagano chung bujina dorkar bosutuko chuno political khlaitao as well as take as jinis additionally I would like to add more that there so-called political party there are amra Bangali in the heart of the capital Agartala hai kaisa ekdom capital ni kuni kusara the presidents of Amra Bangalis, so-called. Batam saka? Agartala Malik ke, Khoyer Malik ke, Billionaire Malik ke, like this. This kind of statement given by the Gorang Rudrapal something. But after that, no reactions came from any political leaders. Kuno reactions paya. But the moment our Bubagra started saying the truth, instantly the opposition leaders, Sri Sudhir Bormon, started interactions. Many interactions jina shuru khai thangka, as well as many other political leaders loge no jabta no counter khainan shuru khai tika. So this is what called the unity among other people. So we must understand, no matter what we are doing, many political, but we should be united. We should understand the one thing, the core things. There is only two types of political in Artipra. I am not going to share here. So we must understand that one. So this is why, this is how the political scenario is going on in Artipra. So Indo Roknono Kasuna Bagoi Bubagra why Jotono Tanchaklainan Bagoi Jubaitongo. Okay, Obahai E Jora Kaham Jorawo Chung Judi Bubagrano Logria Hanka Omahai leader Kaham no. J leader not only in Tripura, not only in Northeast region, entire the nations, entire the out of nations, so the leadership klainan capacity tongo. Obahai leaders no chung judi logria hankai chung hai illiterate persons ke bongla khaise. Although we are claiming ourselves, we are educated, but we don't have any capacity like Bubagra haise. So we must accept the truth, and if we want to change our destiny, then obviously we have to fight with our Bubagra. Obviously main thing, otherwise there is no way, and one day we will be demolished. If we do not fight right now in right time. Abono, this is what is being said Bubagra again and again. Abo chung bujina nangnai tipra hasteni jara lukurok tabukbo kubangma in dilemma wo tongoi tongo. Borok bujina nangnai the core things no. Otherwise, indigenous people in the sense there is only there are no any particular community I say. Wansa, Tiprasa, Manipuri, any other. Jara Hani Busa in the sense soil of the sun. Borok bo abono sohojogita ma khlainai. If we really want to counter the illegal immigrants, abose we are not talking about the particular community. We are talking about entire the community, but especially son of the soil. We have to secure, we have to preserve, we have to save our son of the soil. Abose chung main theme chini abo chung mawan suknai. So এই জিনিসটা রকন chung বক্রক তনিবই আগামী দিনে chini movement no chung startup ma khainai Bubagrano loge marinai. As well as additionally I would like to more aid I say abong khabla tama in social media I can able to see something, we can all able to see I say tamo hai so called tribal welfare minister because the Burma honorable like that he is telling slainai ADC slainai like that. Are if you have the capacity, then first of all you conduct the BC elections. Although you are claiming your capacity that you will change the ADC Hapang like that, The first of all you change, you conduct the BC election, then let's see who has the power in our Tripura haise. So in jinis ta no chung bokrogo ma tonnai I bini jodi power tongo hangkai bini jodi capacity tongo hangkai let's conduct in the BC elections. chung nugnai haise BC elections কোনো গণতান্ত্রিক রাষ্ট্রও chung tabuksak porjonto amti nugoi meyako amti shason. It's been 10 years ক্ষমতা অপপ্রয়োগ খাইয়া তিনি 10 বছর রমৈতনিকা BC ইলেকশন খাইয়া but panchayat committee elections, nagar panchayat elections, municipality elections, there are so many elections has been done I say. But when it comes about the welfare of Tiprasa, about the welfare of residents of TTADC, they don't want to conduct anything. They are not willing to do anything I say. This is happening. So অগণতান্ত্রিক ভাবে অটোক্রেসি যে ক্ষমতা অধিষ্ঠিত যে খাইনা নাই মানে আবো কি চুমুগই তংয়া ওকে ইমবুনি বিরুদ্ধে যখন চুং লড়াই খাইনা থাঙ্গই তঙ্গ খরাং তিসাও ওকে আফ্রতাম খাইজা যে বরক রাইট কক সানাই নিজিনি অধিকার নিবাগে কক সানাই অবাহিনে তারক না ওকে ফলস কেস ফলস এলিগেশন জুই বরক না সাপ্রেস খাইনা নাই নাই ডিপ্রেস খাইনা নাই বুকু বন্ধ খাইনা নাই ওকে কাজে আমতি সময় রাইট টাইম রাইট সময় চুং যে সময় চুং খরাং চিরক হগে মায়া তংমানি জরাও চিনি মায়া গনাং বুবাগরা চিনি বুসকাঙ্গাও ফাইকা চুনো সিল ঠাইকলে চিনি বুসকাঙ্গ একদম খা ফেহলে চিনি যতনি যে ককজাকনাই যে কোনো হাওয়ানো আটকিনা বাগৈ যে কোনো হামিয়ানা আটকিনা বাগৈ বুবাগরা চিনি বুসকাঙ্গ বচাই ফাইকা অসময় জরক চুং যদি বহুত বাই বাক্সা যদি ফাইট খাই আঙ্কাঙ্কাই there is no use claiming educated or intellectual haise. So that ang basic kok logria is a sum of your points anong bisingo introduce khaika okay chung as a bubagra warriors hisabe chung always bubagra dawe chuno je instruct khaitongo advice khaitongo suggest khaitongo dawe bochini uporo je blessed khaitongo o blessing no naro go chung bahai ke kaisa bai kaisa taisa kurunglai hamjak mani bising tui chung o je chini je orai pore je tongmani buibe satok pitok je jak tongmani abarokno chung bahai klai yak kagoi mannai abose chung wansok laina dorkar. Many of us we are all followers of bubagra haise but followers sete ngoi kuno lab kuroi followers ni log log bubagra ni je characteristics je tongo abono chung as a leaders chini bisingbo abono chung observe ma khainai abono chung ma tuidul nai abono chung adopt ma khainai haise borokna hamjak nani kaise be kaisa hamjak lainani o hamjak man bising tino chung jotona pai mannai eba khe conquer khai mannai otherwise sikango chung hypocrite type double face toniwoi kono din chini songramamo chung success tungoi meya so chini until unless from the core hour of heart ni bisingo chini transformation ababo tubna nangnai bubagrani followers kangka obahai sacred obahai pavitra holy mind chini bisingbo ton nangnai angka abahai klaino chung kaisa be kaisa kurunglaioi kaisa sak chalabai te kaisa sak chalai chung kurunglaina nangnai kaisa be kaisa communication tongna nangnai hose besebo je chini je chaya choyao chung bacha laina nangnai abono chung surungmani bubagrani senkra hisabe tai tipra haste ni jara chini je lukurok tongnai tabukbo bubagrano chaya chongoi tongo bubagrana hamjagia ongoi tongo norok bo wan sugoi nei di bubagra chini baga hamja deklaina nai tong na kaham deklaina nai tong tini buibe chukli sugjagoi buino whispering knawoi bubagrana hamya tasadi কিছু কিছু নেতা বড় বড় লিডার সকল বড় লিডার নুকজাক এমপি পর্যন্ত চাই থাকা তিনি দা মুমেন্ট বুবাগ্রানো হিন্দানি চেংখা দা মুমেন্ট তিপ্রাসানি দুঃখ সুখनो नायनानै नायहांबाय थांखा तलाकलाय थांखा अबाय फेस नुंथायबो नुकनाय अबाहाय सिचुएशन नुंथायबो फेस खायना नांनाय कारनखाय नुं एज ए निजिनो जुदि बिग लिडार हिसाबै क्लेम खालायो अंखाय नुंखायसो वानसुकना नांनाय बुनि दफाले फायो ननो कुनो दिन बुट दिफायो बुट दिफायनाय नेता सनामनाय ननो जेकुनो जागा विधानसभा जेकुनो जागा हना पानो अब एकमात्र हनाय साबो ini borok ani borok abo ungkapla imbo ekmaत्र possible to kaje o hamjakma jorawo o hamjakma pinlai ma jorawo kebai ke ta kebeng lai de haise nini dofano ta pogoi thangdi nini siri sitino ta pogoi thandi nini buma bufano ta pogdi bubagrani sinumung baise tini chini identity ready hungo haise create hungo chini identity phayo so bubagra is one like of our ancestors chini grandfather great grandfather bongno hoitese oti prahasteni sinumung bo phayo chini tiprasa dofani bo sinumung sini jago so abono chung bujina nangnai o bujiwoi chung ang kha khayo fainai 27th of November jotono o bubagrani ringmao bubagrani lua jijangmani je jono সমাবেশ mass gathering go tuma wansa tuma tiprasa tuma monipuri jodi if you are really of soil of the sun nu jodi wansugo ongkankai norok bo join khainai this is not the fight of particular community this is the fight of whole community and indigenous is called Bumiputra son of the soil we must understand that words I say so abonono ang jotonono invitations toniwoi kha khayo narakodino kurung kuthumke tang thoglaiman bisingtui chung o jaga great leader jara faitongnai north east ni borokno chung logiriwano hinai engkatei abono grand success khai tisawano hinai engka o kobo mukto niwino haino hai ti prahasteni joto lukurokno sinai nuknai joto borok rokno ani o kisamisa message narogoino ani kokna paithak dikha ti prasadok taktino hamkrai manthong hambai